So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to check in online on United Airlines. So first of all, go to united.com. This is the website that United Airlines uses. On here you can see book, flight status, check-in, and my trips. So through here, if you wish to check in on your flight, you can go ahead and click the check-in option. On there you can see confirmation or ticket number and your last name. So this is important when you're filling out the information for booking your flight, and you can check out a video on the channel that explains how that looks. You can just add in the last name that's on that ticket, so that info that you put in for that particular journey. And through there you can go to your email, or you can go to my trips once you have some trips. You can just go ahead and put in your confirmation number that you got for confirming that booking, and put it in here, and through there you can just go ahead and click on search. You can also check in with your mileage plus number, so you don't have to use your last name. You can use that special account and you can use that number, but I think it's going to be easier for you to remember your last name than to remember your mileage plus number. So just put in that information. After you've clicked on search, you will be given the option to check in. Now make sure that it is within 12 hours of the flight. So whenever you are at the airport and you're sure that you're going to make the flight, just go ahead and open this check-in, since it's going to be much easier to board that flight once you're checked in first. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on United Airlines or some other topics you might find interesting as well. Thank you very much for watching this video, and as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.